And I think some 30, 20 years back, you will just have Jinja High Court here. The next will be maybe Mbale, then Tororo. Now, one who has a case that only High Court can hear will have to travel all the way from wherever to access the High Court in Jinja or Mbale or the like. So that challenge, it has been costly. Yeah, people will have to travel from Buyende. Now imagine someone who is extremely poor having to make that trip. Now you have to transport yourself, transport witnesses. If you have a lawyer, also pay for that. So the cost has been high. Issues of, I know, filing fees and the like, they have been increasing with the inflation and the like, but yes, those processes also are there. The excessive delays, backlog. There are many Chirinya here who capital offenders on capital offenses, and they are waiting on remand to hear their cases, and the court can afford to have 2 sessions in a year.
Wow. And
a session, I'm told, is about 50 million requiring. So because of the lack of funds, poor funding, we can only have 2 sessions, say, in a year. And then if you are arrested today for, say, aggravated defilement, you'll end up waiting at least 3 to 5 years before you have your day in court. So that has a sign of a struggling judiciary. Then there are still allegations of corruption within the judiciary.
Sure.
Some of which have been prosecuted, many are apparent. We have not done anything about them, you see, and people are not reporting. But that undermines the rule of law in our country.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, thank you. I've actually seen some people even withdrawing cases on grounds that they do not have confidence in the judicial process. And someone say, okay, we are withdrawing. In fact, there is one who said that he's withdrawing and now he's taking the case, he's going to lodge the case in the public court. And I was asking him, now where are the judges and, the prosecutors and complainants? And he said, no, you're the judge. So I was waiting for a day of verdict. And he told me the day is coming soon. So I won't get into that more. I really want to bring on board Miss Naiboka to really give us the version, the Lusoga version. Yes, Miss Naiboka. Ebintu ebyo kanso byali kwinonola biyamba ku omuntu ali kuwuliza bitegeere mu lulimi olusoga ayogeire ku nsonga ya rule of law engeri gye definingibwamu whether ni wano mu Uganda eri applicable bulungi ino okugiretinga democracy wa wano na ngeri ki oba aliwo okusayiniza mu kitongole ekiramuzi mu kubanga bali kudaagadaaga mu kubona nga effectinga rule of law n'abantu okufuna obwenkanya.
Ekigambo ekyabali kwogera ku ekya rule of law mu Lusoga kitegeeza nti amateeka gali kuteebwa mu nkola. Gali kuteebwa mu nkola abagakola beba gakolera na buli muntu yenna nabwe gabanga gakola ki nga gagemaku. Era bwoba olingirire mu Semawango the constitution Semawango
otyo
eninga namba 2 ekoba nti
otyo
eyo constitution is the supreme law
naiteeka eri okuntwiko
nti buli muntu yenna nakyaba alikola kirina okuba kiri wansi oba oli wansi w'ekyo
naiteeka lisinga constitution
buli teeka likolebwa linakuba according to that article 2
buli teeka likolebwa lina okuba lyesigama
livamu eryo iteeka kyova obona nti aba parliament bwe baba balikola abatukolera amateeka byonna naye baba balikola be balina okuba nga bali kusinziira ku article 2 kyova obona nti buli ezira ali waigulu w'amateeka era okusinziira amateeka agabanga gakoze eki gakolebwa kyayogeire ku nti n'omukulembeze w'eiwanga yena alibiro dalo. Kyova obona nti democracy aba aliwo nti obwenkanya bw'amateeka buba buliwo buli ku muntu nti kasitwaiza omusango ezira kukera kunkyonoko boti nze ndi waggulu w'amateeka be okutwaliramu nekyo kye tuli mu bufunze kye bali kweta rule of law. Era erikuteebwa etya mu nkola, erikuteebwa mu nkola nti buli muntu ali kwenda obwenkanya ali kubufuna. Bw'ojja mu kitongole kya poliisi bw'oyiza omusango bakugemerawo bakutwala, era bona tibakuluyisaayo bakutwala mu kooti. Kooti yona tekuluyisaawo bw'oyiziiza gule gwako byati aggravated defilement ogw'obuliisa maanyi bakutwala ekirinya. Era waabaayo okusinziira kw'eryo kyoba okoze ekyo ekikolobero ky'obweyiziiza kyatutwala ku kire nti rule of law erikuteebwa muki mu nkola, it is being applied to the society.
Okay.
However, chetuliko banti judiciary eri kubonaabonera. Judiciary bwe twira mu lulimi lwaife olwawano kitegeeza ekitongole ekiramuzi. Bannamateeka mwe bajja nti omuntu wabayiziza omusango bakuwaba mu judiciary, bakuwaba mu judiciary walumukira mu kitongole ky'abannamateeka wafunayo omunnamateeka wamutwala asobola okwemerera mu nsonga edo. Aye yo nga yo judiciary ekitongole ky'ekiramuzi kiri kufuna kitya obuzibu okuta mateeka gano mu nkola.
Otyo
kyaliko banti ensonga edigemagana n'esente
akaboola
akaboola eiwanga lyaife lino litambulire no ku nsonga d'akaboola nga kyetunayeta omusolo.
Yes.
Bonakera kuncho kwenda owaaba omusango lino bamwedde omusolo ate ogujjanga gunina buliki lunaku olwa economy. Buti twabako yakoba nikire kyakobye nti emisango egisinga bungi gityaime nti omuntu ayinza wanga bamugema mwaka ogwo aye nga ali eyo kirinya tabonanga ku mulamuzi lwansonga nti wazira sente edisobola okufacilitatinga kyebeta criminal sessions oba sessions editiyamibwa buli mu region oba buli mu kooti okugemaganya ensonga edaabo ababanga bamenye abayizizo abamenye emisango katuko byenzi nagemye mwana waibye eje emisango eje eminene katuwe yagana nti wanaidinda mu kooti enkulu waliwo omulamuzi sawa dino omulala ayo omulamuzi oyo omulala asobola okutyamya emisango eje abantu ekikumi abali ekirinya kibati kisoboka eyo yabanga judiciary nebye nabo obuzibu bweri kuja ngeyagana yayagana obuzibu obundi kanso kyakobye ku nti corruption nti abantu baliko banti nzo omulamuzi yalire sente kyona yes kibaire kyaliwo aye sawa dino balijanga balikirujulatinga nti kasaba kutegeera nti walire enguzi amateeka kakugemaku nga bwe kisaanire okusinzira ku ekyo ekikolobero banti walire enguzi wabanga osobola okola ki amateeka gakugemaku gakuyiza mu line okusinzira ku ekyo kyobanga okoze nekyo
kale webale ino oli ku 89.4 NBS radio ayikutuuliriza mukagwa ikiriza mbenga network